How can I increase the speed and performance of a 383-stroker engine?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be focusing on the ways you can enhance the speed and performance of your 383-stroker engine. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to maximize the potential of your engine and push its performance to the next level.
What is a 383-stroker engine?
The 383-stroker engine is an iconic power plant, particularly beloved in the world of hot rods and muscle cars. It gets its name from its 3.800-inch stroke crankshaft and is known for its impressive torque and horsepower. The aim of our discussion today is to increase these parameters even further.
Improve airflow.
One of the easiest ways to enhance the performance of any engine is to improve airflow. This means both the air entering the engine, intake, and the exhaust gases leaving it. Cold air intake. You can start by investing in a cold air intake. Cold air is denser, thus contains more oxygen, which will help your engine perform better. This is a cost-effective and easy way to boost horsepower and enhance throttle response. Performance exhaust system. Consider a performance exhaust system to minimize the back pressure. A high-flow exhaust system allows the exhaust gases to exit the engine more efficiently, contributing to increased horsepower and torque.
Upgrade fuel system.
Improving the fuel delivery to your 383-stroker can also provide a notable performance boost. Consider upgrading to a high-performance fuel injection system, which will ensure the correct air-fuel mixture for optimum performance. Remember, better combustion equals better performance.
Enhance the ignition system.
A high-performance ignition system ensures the spark plugs fire at the right time, giving you better combustion, more power, and improved fuel efficiency. Opt for a system that delivers a stronger and more precisely timed spark to take full advantage of the other modifications you're making.
Install performance camshaft.
A performance camshaft is a great way to increase the horsepower and torque of your 383-stroker. The camshaft controls the timing of the opening and closing of the valves. By optimizing this, you can allow more air-fuel mixture into the combustion chamber and get more power out of your engine. So there you have it. Boosting the performance of a 383-stroker engine involves improving airflow, upgrading the fuel system, enhancing the ignition system, and installing a performance camshaft. While each modification can provide a performance boost on its own, combining them will offer the best results. Always remember to tune your engine after each modification to maximize the potential of each change. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you towards achieving that extra power and speed you desire from your 383-stroker engine.